this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. I'm here to show you some bonus content that I've added to TD Snap, a visual guide to getting started. There's two options. You can tap on the link to download this pre-made PDF and follow the instructions for printing, cutting out, making sure to not accidentally cut off the tabs, and how to assemble it. That will give you something like this. You have where you can add the person's name and just some general things on a home page, and then they're tabbed. So we have people, places, do, sensory and advocacy, snack time, bath and bedtime, playtime, getting dressed, and feelings and body. This is not designed to be robust AAC, obviously. This is something that's portable, easy to get started with, easy to print off, assemble, and use while you're in the process of exploring other robust options. If you want to be able to customize it, you can supply me with the information in the handout and receive this via email that's tied to your My Toby Dynavox account. I'll email you the file, and then you